How to keep yourself busy after college to wise with a job. What to do after college instead of getting a real job. What to do after college? The answer reason to get a real job. Unemployment rates remaining high in lots of countries. Even in the US, where the job market is currently strong. Unemployment for those with a recent bachelor degree or higher was 3.9% in December 2019. While an appropriate effort for most graduates is to start working as soon as possible after graduation, they may not have managed to land a job yet, despite several applications and CVs sparking drawn. If you are been finding it hard to secure a job before you are graduate, don't despair. Instead of the searching path before any determined goal, here are some tips to keep you busy and productive while helping you discover yourself. Volunteer. If you are little financially stable, consider volunteering at an NGO or some kind of charity that you are enthusiastic about whilst waiting to secure a full-time job after graduation. It will hold you time equipped while doing something you are passionate about. Not to mention upgrade your CV. The will to work for society will boost your soul and help you gain some valuable skills that you need to in the future working world, such as the management, resilience, and adaptability. Pulse. If you discover yourself committed to the cause and want to pursue a career in that persist field, you have already got a foot in the door. For volunteering, you may find other like-minded people in a similar profession who will recognize your passion. They may surprise you by offering a job to you or last point you in the right direction. Try freelancing. Now, freelancing is a popular term among millionaires, and now Genius are also jumping into the pool. It is the right time to try your hand and at freelancing if you are looking for money while studying. If you are unable to find a full-time job, freelancing is a great way to gain early industry experience, learn about the working environment, and make a worthy contracts in the industry. Ravendi Solmar, a creator on Forbes, advises that a graduate must post their own freelancing job in online jobs board, such as Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn Profinder. Website where freelancers can bid on projects. Being busy in freelancer work will help you keep your skills sharp and give you added experience to put in your CV. Serve different channels to find a job. Okay, you have tried every possible way to find a job or internet or Glassdoor, and still your inbox is always from job letters. Maybe it's time to try different. College graduates today have a full of options. Now, when it comes to hitting a perfect job, open Facebook and search for job-related groups or niche websites that are frequent in posting jobs of various fields. Everyone has certain campaigns that they would love to work for, and I am sure you have you too. Consider contacting them directly from the website or email to find out the potential vacancy or they might want. Going through different medium will keep you accelerated and save you from feeling demotivated when you have accessed all the relevant job applications on just one or two websites. Thanks for watching this video.